If you haven't heard the news already, the FDA has recently announced an exemption for small dispensers for DSCSA compliance, giving you an additional 2 years to be fully compliant or before enforcement kicks in for you. So I just want to quickly talk about that today and what that looks like for a small dispenser. And if you don't fall in that small dispenser category, what option may be available to you. So first, what is a small dispenser? Well, FDA considers that an entity that has a total, doesn't matter how many locations you have, but as an entire entity, you have less than 25 full-time pharmacists or pharmacy techs. So if you're a single independent pharmacy owner and you have one location, maybe you only have 8 total combined pharmacists and pharmacy techs, you do fall into that category. Or maybe you have 3 or 4 locations or more. As a total across all of your locations, if you have less than 25 full-time pharmacists or pharmacy techs, you are considered a small dispenser. So you are exempt from several of the DSCSA requirements, including receiving T2 data, EPCIS data from your suppliers. But as LSPedia wants to make it very clear, and the rest of the supply chain, keep the progress moving forward. If you have a solution in place, keep it, use it, learn it, master it, and continue the entire progress forward. The last thing anyone wants to happen is for you to regress and stop using that solution or cancel that solution. You need to have that in place. You're already ahead of the game, so keep that up. Your suppliers will thank you for it. It's really imperative for all players in the pharmaceutical supply chain to do their part in order to make the DSCSA implementation a success. So your distributors, they need to be able to send data to you. So if you have a solution, perfect. You're in a good spot. So our recommendation is to keep moving forward with that and really master it. Get your SOPs down. Ensure your entire staff, your pharmacists and your techs have a full understanding of the SOPs and how to handle procedures. You're ahead of the game, so you should be patting yourself on the back. And again, the last thing you want to do is move back or stop the progress that we've made moving forward. And also encourage your fellow other pharmacy owners to do the same. We all need to work together to make this a success. Additionally, if you have more than 25 full-time employees, if you don't think that you're going to be ready for DSCSA, the deadline coming up, November 27, 2024, you do have an opportunity to submit a waiver. However, there are some things you need to think about before you jump the gun and go ahead and submit that to the FDA. I will cover that in another video, so stay tuned and we'll chat about that.